Hey everyone. One of our favorite tanks that we've had in the boutique for a while, but we've got some brand new colors. This is the Aqua, which is a really cute light blue. It is actually like a perfect match for the little paint splatter in the jeans. Why do I love this tank so much? Number one, it is so light and airy. It doesn't even feel like you're wearing anything, so it's perfect as the temperatures get warmer. It's a great layering piece because it doesn't feel clingy or tight or like you've got lots of layers on. It is insanely stretchy. I love the collar. So it's a nice, like, relaxed V-neck. It's a wide tank on top, so you don't need to worry about straps or anything like that. Super flattering. It's a nice rounded hem on the front and the back's actually longer. So you can wear this with leggings, with a skirt, with jeans, with shorts. It's super cute just over shorts, loose. You saw me tucked it in at the beginning. I'm gonna show you another couple of tricks. But it's got this pleat in the back. Now that one is really important because that's just giving you the extra fabric and flow in the back, which means it skims right over your hips and waist. So it's super, super flattering for all body shapes. So like I showed you at the beginning, that's as simple it is to tuck it in, turn it into like a short tank. You can tuck the back in as well because it's so lightweight material. You can leave it loose if you want because it's got that split in the side. You can knot it if, like me, you love a good little knot in clothing. It just changes the silhouette. It's obviously super cute loose, and I love it with my favorite cardigan as well. As if by magic. This actually has like all the different colors in, so you can actually see it's got the exact same blue as the tank. So you just throw this on with your jeans and now it's like the perfect spring look with the bright pop of blue, the nice earth tone tan. You've got your jeans, whether you're wearing distressed or dark, both would work super well with this outfit, and also like tucked in like that or loose, both of them work. The lighter denim is going to give you a more springy, light look, but I absolutely love this tank because you can mix and match it like I'm showing you. You can use it as a layer piece, but it's just as cute and simple when you wear it just as a tank. Tons of room under the arm, tons of room in the side as well. So I'm wearing the size small. There's the edge of my body, there's the actual side seam without me stretching it, and then it's got tons of stretch in it as well. So this one comes in small, medium, large, XL, and 2X, but it is an oversized run. So in this one, the small, I recommend anywhere from 0 through 10. Medium, I recommend anywhere from 6 all the way up to 14. Large, I recommend anywhere from 12 all the way up to 18. The XL is going to be good for 16 all the way through 22. And then the 2X is going to be your 20 through 26. If you do have any questions on this one, feel free to send us a message. If you want to size down so it's more fitted, you can absolutely do that. Take the numbers I said and then go down one from that. Any other questions, let me know and we'll help you out.